In this lesson, I'll show you how to calculate total drawings. If you want to understand this lesson properly, I recommend you please watch the previous lesson. In our previous tutorial, I showed we calculated cash drawings by preparing a bank account. Okay, so today I'll show you a question which is taken from Cambridge IGCSE accounting past paper. So before we dive in, let us have a look at the question. So here you see Stella started trading on 1st April 2021. All receipts paid into the bank and all payments are made from the bank. And you see here under the payment drawing, it is a question mark. We did not have drawing, so we calculated. So here what you have, during the year ended 31st March 2022, Stella took goods from the business for her own personal use. Okay, the selling price of this goods is 3375. Okay, her markup is 25%. Okay, so here our requirement is calculate Stella's total drawings for the year ended 31st March 2022. Sometimes you have such type of questions, so if you understand properly, you'll be able to answer in your exam. Okay, so here we already calculated cash drawings. Yeah, it is $7,800. Okay, so we prepared bank account to calculate this amount. Okay, so let us write here first cash drawings. So here we calculated $7,800. Okay, so here on the question we have means Stella, the owner, she has also goods drawings. Okay, the selling price of the goods is $3,375, but you know, when you calculate our drawings we take only cost price. Okay, so now we need to calculate the cost price of these drawings. Okay, so here her markup is 25%. Okay, so selling price of these drawings equal to 3,375. Okay, and under question we have markup, it is 25%. Now we need to calculate the cost price. Okay, cost price of this drawings, goods drawings, 3,375. So now how to calculate it? Okay, so we have a formula. If you apply this formula, you will be able to answer. Okay, figure out. So we know here 100 divided by markup plus 100. Okay, multiply by selling price. So here 100 markup is 25 plus 100 and selling price was 3,375. Yeah, so 3,375. Okay, so our next step is here 100 divided by 125. 25 plus 100 equal to 125 times 3,375. Okay, so if we divide 100 by 125, then we'll get the answer. If we multiply this answer by this, we get here $2,700. Okay, this is the cost price of the goods. Okay, so here now we got cash drawings here. Now we write here goods drawings. We calculated $2,700. So if we sum up, we get here $10,500. Okay, this is what? This is total drawings. So only this part is a bit complicated. You need to know the formula. You need to know 100 divided by markup plus 100 times selling price.